Good morning all. So let us again look at few problems on polar coordinates. Then we'll move on to the sketching of curves in polar coordinates. So the first problem is find polar coordinates satisfying the stated condition for the point whose rectangular coordinates are minus root 3 and 1. So we need to find the polar coordinates satisfying the following conditions. So the first condition is r greater than or equal to 0, and you have 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi, and r less than or equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi, and r greater than or equal to 0 minus 2 pi less than theta less than or equal to 0, and r less than or equal to 0, then we have minus pi less than theta less than or equal to pi. So we are given the point whose rectangular coordinates are minus root 3 and 1. So from here, so xy is minus root 3, 1. So that implies r will be root of x square plus y square. So we will get root of 4, which is equal to 2, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of y by x. So that will be tan inverse of minus root 3 by 1. So tan inverse of minus root 3 will be minus tan inverse of root 3. So that will be equal to minus pi by 3. So r theta is equal to 2 minus pi by 3. So if you want to plot the point, so we will be taking an angle minus pi by 3 അതിൽ നമ്മൾ 2 എടുക്കും, 2 radial distance എടുക്കും. So that will be 2 minus pi by 3. Now first we need to look at the case where r is greater than or equal to 0, and we must have 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Okay, so for doing that, r must be greater than or equal to 0. So r will be equal to 2. Now we need to obtain a value of theta such that we have 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Uh, if you look at this angle, okay, so if you have, so this is our ray. So if you look at this angle, so we need to reach at this point. This is our point P. So if you take the angle to be this and the radial distance to be equal to 2, അതായത് ഈ ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 പൈ മൈനസ് പൈ ബൈ 3 പ്ലസ് 2 പൈ വരും. മൈനസ് പൈ ബൈ 3 പ്ലസ് 2 പൈ വരുമ്പോൾ അഗെയിൻ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ റീച്ച് ദി same ray. So that will be equal to 5 pi by 3. So when r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to 5 pi by 3, we get the same point. So this must be 5 pi by 3, and here you have 2 5 pi by So r theta will be here equal to 2 and 5 pi by 3. So you can see that r is greater than or equal to 0 and theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. Now the second case is where r is negative and you must have 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. So this is our point. So 2 minus pi by 3. So what we do is now we will take the terminal side. Okay. So we will take the side opposite to the terminal side. R negative angle 0 ക്കും 2 pi ക്കും ഇടയ്ക്കുമായിരിക്കണം. Angle positive ആയിരിക്കണം. So let us move this angle. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആംഗിള് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനി ഈ ആംഗിള് മൂവ് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം so here we need to take the radial distance as minus 2. So that will again reach this point. We are getting r equal to minus 2 and theta will be pi minus pi by 3. So we'll get a negative value for r and theta will be 2 pi by 3, which lies between 0 and 2 pi. And the third case is when r is greater than or equal to 0 and theta lies between minus 2 pi and 0. So this is the initial representation we took. So initially we got the point as 2 minus pi by 3. So in that representation r is greater than or equal to 0 and theta is between minus 2 pi and 0. So this representation will be 2 minus pi by 3. And the last one is you have r less than or equal to 0, less than theta, less than or equal to pi. So this is our point 2 minus pi by 3. So here the angle minus pi starts here, minus pi to pi എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ that is this angle. Okay, so take the side opposite to the terminal side. So from minus pi by 3, so take this angle and instead of taking on this side, take minus 2 here. So that will give the required point. So here r will be equal to minus 2 and theta will be minus pi plus pi by 3. So that will be minus 2 pi by 3. So the required point will be minus 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So that is the required representation. Problem is to identify the curve by transforming the given polar equations to rectangular coordinates. So we are given the curve in polar form. We need to find the corresponding curve in the rectangular coordinates. Now for this we use so the substitution is r equal to root of x square plus y square and theta is tan inverse of y by x. And also we can use this. So if you take x is going to be r cos theta and y is r sin theta. അപ്പോൾ cos theta എന്ന് പറയുന്ന x by r വരും, sin theta will be y by r. So the first one you have r equal to 2. So r equal to 2, that means root of x square plus y square is equal to 2. So this gives x square plus y square equal to 4. So r equal to 2 represents a circle centered at the origin with radius 2. And next is r equal to 4 sin theta. So we can write it as r equal to 4. Now sin theta is y by r. So that will give r square equal to 4y. The r square that will be x square plus y square. So x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square minus 4y. So I can add and subtract 4. So this is actually a circle which is So we'll get x square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. So it's a circle centered at the point 0, 2, again with radius equal to 2. And the third one, you have r equal to 6 by 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. And again you have x equal to, r equal to 6 by 3. So cos theta will be x by r plus 2 sin theta is y by r. So that will give r equal to 6. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ r ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലേക്ക് പോകും by 3x plus 2y. So r will cancel off on both sides. So we'll get 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So this represents a line in the Cartesian coordinate. Problem is to express a given equation in polar coordinates. So we will use x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So in the first case you have x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 becomes r cos theta equal to 3. So that is the corresponding polar equation. Then in the second equation you have x square plus y square plus 6y equal to 0. So that gives r square. So x square plus y square is r square. So r square plus 6. Now y is r sin theta. So that is equal to 0. So r will cancel off. So we will get r equal to minus 6 sin theta. And the third curve is 9xy equal to 4. Again use x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So we'll get 9r square cos theta sin theta equal to 4. So that is the associated polar curve.